Hello and welcome to watching DBMN TV. This is Monli Sarumbai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The three-day South Asian team visit concluded on the 3rd of March 2023 at the Don Bosco Provincial House, Hyderabad, in the presence of His Eminence Cardinal Pula Anthony, Archbishop of Hyderabad. The morning session was chaired by Father Stefano Martlogio and Father Ivo Colhio on the theme Identity of Salesians in South Asia, Consolidation of Expansion. In the evening, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, the 10th successor of Don Bosco, emphasized that the service to the poor should be the only criterion for all the princes in South Asia. He said, "We should be convinced that the poor are the only justification of all our presences, and we should guarantee that those most in need have every access to these quality services. The choices of the provincial should not change and should not be based on this. They should ensure that every institution is justified by this cause, because service to poor youth is the justification for our institution." The meeting of the Integrated Team of Works and Social Services and Formation for Work of the Salesian Province of Central America was held from the 27th of February to the 2nd of March at the Sacred Heart Retreat House. The objective of the meeting in presence after the long pandemic was to update the strategic plan of both sectors and search for new responses to the needs of young people in vulnerable situations. The working days were intense, marked by an atmosphere of joy, fraternity and commitment. This meeting made it possible to socialize the Congress of Works and Social Services held in Turin in 2022, bringing participants to actually meet. In addition to the online connection with the board members of the Salesian Social America Network, they visited the Vocational Training Center of the Ciudadela Don Bosco in Soyapango. The search for the new answers to the challenges presented by the reality of Central America presents new challenges to offer relevant and innovative proposals for integral pastoral education that are positively integrated into their environment, following Don Bosco's ideal to form good Christians and upright citizens. Last Sunday, a conference on youth empowerment was held at the Religious Education Congress featuring Dr. Juan Carlos Montenegro as the keynote speaker. The conference was held in the framework of the Strena of the Rector Major of the Salesians entitled As the Yeast in Today's Human Family, the Lay Dimension in the Family of Don Bosco. The event was attended by more than 600 lay parish leaders, including those in charge of catechism, youth ministry and religious education. During the conference, Dr. Juan Carlos shared some practical tools of the Don Bosco educational system, specifically the preventive system, which emphasizes the importance of winning the hearts of children and young people. Dr. Montenegro emphasized the need for young people to feel responsible for the local church beyond meeting the requirements that their families demand of them. He stated that it is the responsibility of lay leaders in the church to trust young people, give them responsibility, discover their gifts, put them to serve and accompany them. From the 2nd to the 4th of March, the Provincial Superior of the Province of Slovenia, SLO, Father Marko Koncic, accompanied by his Provincial Council, visited the only Salesian community and Catholic parish in the capital of Montenegro. 4 Salesians run the parish, the youth center and the language and computer school courses. The talks on the future Salesian mission in Padogorsia and on the Catholic identity in this country, whose population is mostly Orthodox or Muslim, were also attended by the Apostolic Nuncio of Bosnia-Herzegovina and Montenegro, Monsieur Francis Assisi Kulikat, the Archbishop of Bar, Monsieur Rok Gonesaj, and the Archbishop Emeritus of Bar, Monsieur Zev Gashi, SDB. On the 5th of March, on behalf of the Rector Major and as part of the extraordinary visit to the Southern Africa Vice Province, Father Alphonse Uwudu, Councillor for the Africa-Madagascar region, met with the educational pastoral community and the local council of the Salesian family of All Saints Church in Innerdale. Father Uwudu met with the Salesians SDB, members of the Parish Pastoral Council, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA, Salesian Cooperators SSCC and Salesian Youth Ministry workers. There are currently 27 SSCCs and the 5 members of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM, including those from the parishes of Finetown and Lawley, who recently renewed their vows. 2 SSCC's members also moved to the Northern Cape province and with the help of the FMA started a life skills center and an elderly care facility in Gongong. The Don Bosco Educational Center in Ennerdale and the Sancta Maria Early Childhood Development School in Finetown are two institutions that share the Salesian charism in daily life and take great care of today's youth. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.